I learned this recipe from a Chinese chef and now everyone asks me for it. I have a 700-gram piece of meat here and now I'm going to slice it. Once the meat is all sliced, let's take it and transfer it to a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, a generous tablespoon of cornstarch, and salt to taste. Once this is done, take a frying pan and add oil. Let the oil heat up, then add the meat. And on to the next part. Take a piece of ginger and peel it. After peeling it, we'll slice it, and I'm going to mash 3 cloves of garlic here. Next, add a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix very well. And then we'll add this sauce to the meat. Stir again and add 200 grams of green beans. Now keep stirring so that the seasoning in the sauce envelops the meat and the green beans. Now put the lid on and let it cook for 8 minutes. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.